Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Commonwealth Honda in Lawrence, Massachusetts, we have the 2024 Honda Passport Trailsport. Trailsport comes with big all-terrain tires and some really cool stitching on the headrest. Orange stitching throughout, absolutely gorgeous. Sticker price $45,895 as tested. There, make everything a little bit easier to read. Comes with a full tank of fuel for no charge. 280 horsepower, 3.5 liter VTEC V6. What's it mated to? The 9-speed or 10-speed? 9-speed. Take a look at the back seat area. Plenty of storage in the doors. Do love the dual exhausts. Trailsport badging. And while this is not a 3-row, you want a 3rd row, you go for the Pilot. What it makes up for is a absolute ton of space. Wow, okay. A ton of stuff. Then you have a car charger back here, and then is that truck? Awesome. So even your back, that is a ton of room. I cannot sit here and say I would need all of that. And then obviously you sit here. That is that. Oh, okay. So that's that. Switch to that. Move it forward and back, just like so. You got 2 USB-Cs, wall outlet. Did that say it was rotation? I think that said you could sit there and spin it. You can! That is pretty darn cool. Tons of storage. So yeah, I like that because you notice how it's kind of set in like this. You have a big blocky charger. Setting it like this is not really going to work. It might not fit. So you can have it set on the side like so. Hey, that is pretty darn cool. I like that. Oh, I do like the gray accents. Trailsport badging up front. Oh yeah. Let's go for a drive. Grandfather had a 23 Ridgeline, very similar to that. I believe it's the same exact platform, just with a bed versus obviously no bed. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. Do have, oh yeah, those are your different modes. Sunroof. over the bumps, nice and composed. have driven a 2020 Passport before. That was a nice car. I was impressed with that. Definitely wanted to check out the Trailsport because that's a relatively new trim level. Wanted to see how they did the sound deadening with these all-terrain tires, because anybody who's driven a truck lifted and all these big giant mudding tires know how noisy they can be. It's nice to know that these tires are quiet. It's not a compromise to get the Trailsport trim. Wireless charging, just like the Pilot. Tons of storage, especially I can't believe the cargo space in this thing. It is impressive. One thing I love about these 3.5s is just the low-down torque. Being an NA V6, these things are torque monsters. Well, even not that I'm scared of downsizing to a Turbo 4, which I do think before it goes full electric, they're going to put a Turbo 4 of some kind in this. Remember the 2-liter in the Accord? Yeah, Honda can make some pretty darn good Turbo 4 motors. Integra Type S, Type R. This is a pretty darn cool option for a 2-row SUV. Tons of storage. Feels very commanding on the road. It's a nice car. I am definitely a fan of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks again to Commonwealth Honda in Lawrence for having me, and I will see you all in the next one.